It's another day and we are here at the workshop with Alex, and now we are going to be welding in a muffler that I had laying around, and it is actually the muffler that the car came with, but I never really experienced the sound on the car because it was leaking so much when I got it. But we have been fixing all the leaks before I got the plates on the car, so now we will finally experience how this M20 engine will sound with a proper exhaust system. So this is the muffler we are going to be using. It's a power flow, it says. So now let's get to welding and hopefully it will look, yeah, decent. First thing we are going to do is cut right there to straighten the exhaust, because as you see right now it is perfectly straight right there, but it's not straight right here. So when we straighten it up right there, not straight right there. Somebody really didn't put any effort into making this look decent. So we're gonna make it look like half decent, so that's why we're cutting it. So it's, I mean, now that's part straight, this is not, yeah. Let's cut it and re-weld it right there. That's what we want. Straight right there, and this also. That's what we want. This is not looking good. La la! Happy with the results?
Yeah. Okay.
You're proud of the work?
Yeah, of the work, yes.
Okay, of the work. And the result on the car is good?
Good enough for you, I hope.
What? For me? Okay, so quality work that we have here. And quality results.
Okay.
You see there's a lot of weld all over here, there, and we can continue on the old welds. You have there, and you have a weld there. We have a weld there. Yeah, a lot of welds all over the place here, and I think we fixed something up here. No, I don't know. I don't remember anymore. But yeah, a lot of welds right here, but that doesn't matter. We got it on, and we also raised the exhaust quite a bit, so we will not have an issue with the ride height anymore, because the exhaust was scraping a lot before. But now it sits not too low, so it's pretty good. And I don't know, I like the look. I think it fits the car pretty good with that VTM on the end right there. I think that's pretty cool. They're quite big though, but yeah.
Big.
You think it's too big?
Too big.
Nah, it fits the car. It's nice. It needs a big exhaust because the tail is not so... Yeah, it's not happening too much behind here. I'm excited to hear how it sounds now. Very excited actually. Alex says that we got the exhaust too far back. I don't agree. I think that's perfect. Tell me in the comment section, is it too far back? Bad? I want it to like not smoke up and be like black all over there. So that's why I want it to be a little bit further. And I think it's a nice detail. Engine is not properly warm yet and he doesn't burn out. I thought the mechanic had like mechanical empathy, but he doesn't at all. Okay, now I'm really excited to hear that drive-by. Hopefully it will sound good. I think it was actually a lot more quiet now. That's pretty good. But I really want that like, not rasp, but like, it kind of sounds like it's a smooth sounding right now. But yeah, it's good. Let's hear. Ooh, damn, that was kind of cool. I mean, not too loud, but we really got some cool exhaust notes nevertheless, so that's cool. What was that? I heard a bad noise. Not good.
Oh, no problem.
Still good?
I think so.
It was a misshift?
Yeah, no money shift, but only misshift.
Okay, try again then. Prove that it's still working. I don't know if you guys catch that, but I saw some flames in there. That's pretty cool. Jeg håper det er ikke andre gir her faktisk.
Det er en gang til!
Er det nice?
Å, fy faen! Så du det, eller?
Nei, jeg så ikke det.
Ut. Det her må du se. Oi, god damn! Ja. Ikke med burning, da.
Much more smooth. I mean, yeah, very nice. Not so much noise inside here as well. We like that. That's good. Now it will be much more comfortable to drive, and I can drive in neighborhoods and it will not be like too much. So that's nice. Yeah. Oh my god, this is a comfy car! And we got a little bit of noise, that's cool. Now we got that much flames though. That's not concerning, but